Exercise 107 focuses on a different couple of ways of illustrating your data. Now, these both are really only designed, as it says here, for small samples of data. As you can see, and as you know in a dot plot, because you put a dot for every piece of data, then, you know, if your total frequency was 100, then you wouldn't want to be putting 100 dots. The same with the stem and leaf. You wouldn't, because you enter every piece of data or display every piece of data, then it really is only manageable for smallish samples. And I guess smallish samples are something probably no bigger than 40, a frequency of 40. Now, that's not the only reason that they're grouped here. The other reason is because they are good visual displays of the spread of the data. You're able to clearly see where clusters occur. So, clusters, as well as identify outliers. Oops. And with the dot plot, each score, and that's what I was emphasising before, is represented by a dot, which makes it very time consuming. I'll go through these with you in class, and if you feel comfortable enough that because you've done dot plots before, that you could answer these, then you might jot your answers in there anyway. And you can also see with a stem and leaf that it nicely shows the shape of the data or the spread of the data. You can, again, if it should exist, outliers are easily identified. Negatively skewed, positively skewed, etc. sort of data is easily identified as well. This is a bit of an unusual stem and leaf in that the stem is all 1. Your lowest score is 10, your highest score is 18. So I think it's for that reason that we've just repeated the 1 all the way through. It wouldn't be all that helpful to have had stems of 0, 1 and 2 in groups of 10 like we normally do. So again, the following gives an ordered display. These are really displays of data, which is useful for illustrating the spread of the score. And again, if you feel confident enough to look at that stem and leaf and be able to interpret it and answer the questions, then please do that. However, I will go through these questions with you in class. Get you to make some jot down some key points, make a summary of those 2 types of displays, and then do exercise 107.